Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys 3 finger screenshot setting, how to take a screenshot with 3 finger. Friends, on your lava mobile you want to take a screenshot, so how to take a screenshot one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click here intelligent assistant setting. After on intelligent assistant setting friends, you can on smart answer setting 3 finger screenshot. So friends, click here 3 finger screenshot. After on friends, you can just swipe down with 3 finger to take a screenshot. So friends, you want to take a screenshot, so you can take a screenshot with 3 finger. So friends, we will use 3 finger screenshot, and friends we can take a screenshot with 3 finger, and friends click a screenshot, and friends you want to edit screenshot, again 3 finger screenshot, click here edit, and friends you can edit your screenshot. You want to crop your screenshot, so friends you can crop your screenshot also. Friends, you want to rotate your screenshot, you can rotate. You want to reset, so you can reset. Friends, you want to adjust, you want to add any filter, friends you can add filter on your screenshot. Done option. Friends, if you click here, you want to show any tags, friends you can see type something, and friends you can show tags on your screenshot. And friends, if you click pan, so friends you can use this arrow. You want to show Google TV, so you can add. And friends, if you click highlight, so friends you can highlight. And friends, click here done option, save as copy, and friends screenshot will save. So like that friends, we can take 3 finger screenshot in lava mobile. And friends, you don't want to take 3 finger screenshot, again click here 3 finger screenshot off. After turn off friends, we cannot take a screenshot with 3 finger. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.